Alright, so I'm chilling in the Santa Monica Mountains right now, and there's one thing that's not natural. There is snow up here in the Santa Monica Mountains. That's the first time I've seen this happen before, and so I'm gonna go fly it, and then let's see what else I can find. I just got some new FPV gear, so let's go try it out. That was such a fun flight. I can't believe how my gear worked. I haven't had gear that works like that in forever. You can count on me to make more drone content coming up soon, because it's my favorite thing to do. So, love you guys. Peace.